Welcome to Gugu Kids Club. Hi kids, in this video we are going to explore a bunch of fun action verbs. We will see how they help us talk about all sorts of activities, from running and jumping to eating and playing. Get ready to see action verbs in actions. Let's go. Run. The boy can run fast. Jump. The dog can jump high. Walk. We walk to school every day. Walk. Play. Play. The children play in the rain. Eat. Eat. I eat my breakfast. Drink. Drink. She drinks milk. Drink. Sleep. Sleep. Baby sleeps in the crib. Sleep. Read. Read. I read a book. Write. Write. She writes her name. Write. Draw. Draw. She draws a picture. Draw. Laugh. Laugh. They laugh at the joke. Laugh. Cry. Cry. The baby cries. Cry. Smile. Smile. She smiles at me. Smile. Talk. Talk. We talk to our friends. Talk. Listen. Listen. I listen to my doctor. Listen. Look. Look. Look at the fish. Look. See. See. I see a car. See. Hear. Hear. I hear a sound. Touch. Touch. Don't touch the hot stove. Touch. Feel. Feel. I feel happy. Feel. Smell. Smell. I smell the flower. Smell. Taste. Taste. I taste the candy. Taste. Catch. Catch. Catch the ball. catch, throw, throw, throw the ball, throw, kick, kick. He kicks the ball. Kick, hit, hit, hit the target. Hit, open, open, open the door. Close, close, close the book. Close, sit, sit, sit on the chair. Sit, stand, stand, stand up straight. Stand, climb, climb. He climbs the mountain. Climb, fall, fall. The leaves fall down. Fall, build, build. We built a sand castle. Break, break. He breaks the snow. Break, fix, fix. He fixes the air condition. Fix, help, help. I help my mom. Help, clean, clean, clean your room. Clean, wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash, cook, cook. Mom cooks dinner. Cook, cut, cut, cut the paper. Cut, fold, fold, fold the paper in half. Fold, carry, carry, carry the box. Carry, push, push, push the table. Push, pull, pull, pull the rope. Pull, dig, dig, dig in the sand. Dig, learn, learn. We learn new things. Learn, swim, swim. I swim in the pool. Swim, Fly. Fly. Birds fly in the sky. Fly. Paint. Paint. He paints a picture. Paint. Drive. Drive. Dad drives the car. Drive. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.